Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Academia Ambala. Today, we are going to learn about like and unlike decimals. For this, first of all, we should know the meaning of decimal places in a decimal number. The number of digits on the right side of the decimal point is the number of decimal places. For example, in 3.4, there is only one digit after the decimal point. Hence, it has one decimal place. In the next example, 5.03, there are two digits after the decimal point. So, it has two decimal place. In the next example, 0.604, there are three digits after the decimal point. Therefore, it has three decimal place. To make the concept more clear, I have few more examples. In 6.39, there are two digits after the decimal point. It has two decimal places. In 2.563, there are three digits after the decimal point. Therefore, it has three decimal places. In the same way, 5.9 has only one digit after the decimal point. Therefore, it has only one decimal place. Here, these two numbers have one decimal place. These two numbers have two decimal places. And these two numbers have three decimal places. Decimals having equal number of decimal places, like in 3.4 and 5.9, there is only one decimal place. These are like decimals. For example, 5.03 and 6.39 has two decimal places. So these numbers are like decimals. On the other hand, 3.4, 5.03 and 0.604, these numbers have different decimal places. One decimal place, two decimal places and three decimal places. These are unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 5.9, 6.39 and 2.563. Now we will learn how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. It is really very easy. To convert them into like decimals, we can make the number of decimal places equal in all the decimal numbers. For example, we have 34.1 with one decimal place, 2.75 with two decimal places and 0.972 with three decimal places. Here there are maximum decimal places are 3. To convert into like decimals, each one of them must have three decimal places after the decimal point. To make like decimals, what we have to do is to add zeros on the extreme right. Here in 34.1, we can add 0 at the extreme right. We have to add two zeros to make it three decimal place. In the same way, in 2.75, we have to only add 1 0 to make it 3 decimal place. These two numbers are now having 3 decimal places. Therefore, these three numbers are now like decimals. These are like decimals. By putting zeros at the end, the main purpose of putting zeros is that their value will not change. Let's take one more example. 2.7, 3.95 and 4.623. Again, the maximum decimal places are 3. So we will put 2 zeros after 7 to make it 3 decimal place number. And in 3.95, we put 1 0. And now you can see that all these numbers are having 3 decimal places. So these are like decimals. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.